And before we meet you the next time, wish you all the festivities as well. But it's time now to, look at the market wind down. It's been a good trading session. The market opened well, up almost 140 points. From there was a bit of profit taking. And from then on, we moved higher. The dip was bought and we're closing virtually at the high point of trade, which was also, the similar level as the open itself. So for the record books, we'll go today with a gain of almost 160 points on the Nifty, over 500 points on the Sensex, 300 points plus for the Nifty Bank. The mid-caps were the star of the show. Among the top gainers on the index today was Britannia, up almost 3%. The street liked the margin expansion on that counter. Metals also made a second half comeback. So Hindalco was the second highest gainer on the index. We saw recovery from lows come by on Tata Steel post the management commentary as well. On the way down, however, MotoCorp was down almost 1%. The results were largely in line with expectations, but there was some profit taking. And the mid-caps, which were the stars of the show, we had a couple of names. RECPFC, they continued to do well. Vodafone Idea was up around 8%. Delta Corp too ended higher by about 7%. More stocks advancing than declining. Over 2,100 stocks in the green, or just about 900 stocks in the red today.
Plenty of stocks, Mangalam, that were flying away. The JP Twins, JP Associates up and about. You had SEPC, that stock has been moving, and today it was moving on very high volume. So SEPC, more than a 2,000 crore market cap company, locked in upper circuit, up close to 10% today, 22 rupees stock. You had JK Tyre, well, that stock was up close to 10%. Vodafone Idea as well was flying away in trade. That was up close to around 8%. So a lot of these stocks that actually have not been big wealth creators, but they did well today. Suzlon, case in point, Street like their numbers. Jyoti Structures, another name in there. All these have not really done well if you look at it over longer term horizon. But these stocks did pop up in trade. So some of those portfolios will be feeling good that particularly have exposure to the small and the mid-cap space.
No, absolutely, Nigel. So for the week, if you can just quickly look at the indices, that's right. Actually, we got one more day, right? I was going to wrap up the week.
Prashant's in a hurry. Prashant's definitely in a hurry.
That's all right.
Are you coming tomorrow?
I am coming tomorrow, very much. Let's actually modify that to the week so far if you want to. But in any case, I mean, it's a good Thursday, 0.5% higher. Looked like it would be a bigger day. It was not the case, but I guess that's what we got. 0.75% on the Nifty Bank. Let's just look at the Nifty mid-cap and small-cap indices. Mid-cap index ends about 1.5% higher. And you got the small-cap index, which ends about 1.5% up as well. The small-cap index, guys, is the strongest part of the market. It's now, it fell 7%. It fell the most in those 7 sessions. And it's basically now retraced the maximum. It's I think, about 2.5% from its all-time highs.
Yeah, and as we wind up the markets, Virat Kohli is lifting up his bat. He scored a quick fire 50. Our boys are in good form. And Shubman Gill on the verge of another 50. So feeling good towards the end. And hopefully Prashant turns up tomorrow.
Yes, feeling wonderful. It'll be poetic if Virat Kohli does get that 100 in today's match, and that will be because it was yesterday where Sachin Tendulkar's statue was installed on 1K day, and if he does that, he will go ahead and meet Sachin Tendulkar's ODI record. If that were to happen, the mantle has
missed the last one by 7-8 runs, right? I mean, he got to within 92 or something.
No, it was.
He was supposed to equalize.
Equalize it. He got it by about three runs.
I was swearing with Prashant. Actually, when you said it was poetic, I said you're going to go for another digger.
No.
Anyway.
Well, we'll wrap up things here. It's goodbye from all of us on the Closing Bell team. Thank you very much for staying with us. It's a wrap here, but don't go anywhere because programming continues. And our Thursday special, Big Deal, comes up next.